In the National Population Policy of India 2000, which one is not a socio-demographic goal for 2010? Option A, reduce infant mortality rate to below 30 per 1000 births. Option B, reduce maternal mortality ratio to below 100 per 1 lakh live births. Option C, achieve 100% registration of births, deaths and marriages. Option D, to compulsorily make 20 years as age of marriage for girls. Here the correct answer is option D, that is to compulsory make 20 years as age of marriage for girls. Who remarked regarding India's development as soft state during 1960s? Option A, Max Weber. Option B, Andre Bettel. Option C, Gunnar Myrdal. Option D, A.K. Sen. Here the correct answer is option C, that is Gunnar Myrdal. Match the following question. Crude birth rate. That means live births per 1000 total mid-year population. Crude death rate. That means deaths of person per 1000 mid-year total population. Infant mortality rate. Death of children under 1 year of age per 1000 live births during a year. Lifetime migration rate mid-period population. That is number of persons enumerated other than their place of birth per 1000 total mid-period population. The factors of rural social change include electronic media, farm technology, rural ideology, Khap Panchayats. Find the correct combination according to code. Here the correct answer is option A, that is electronic media and farm technology. Next is also a match the following question. Physical violence, that means bright burning, is a type of physical violence. Emotional violence, that means deprivation of conjugal rights. Economic violence, that means denial of economic resources. Cultural violence, genital mutilation. Next is also match the following question. Cultural lag. W.F. Ogburn. Primary group. H. Cooley. Sanskritization. M.N. Srinivas. Organic solidarity. E. Durkheim. Who made the distinction of two opposing spheres of female world of emotion and cooperation and male world of rationality and competition? Option A, John Bowlby. Option B, Talcott Parsons. Option C, Robin Fox. Option D, George Peter Murdoch. Here the right answer is option B, that is Talcott Parsons. Contribution of social division of labor has been discussed in depth by option A, Emile Durkheim. Option B, Max Weber. Option C, Wilfredo Pareto. Option D, Pitrim Sorokin. Here the correct answer is option A, that is Emile Durkheim. So the contribution of social division of labor has been discussed in depth by Emile Durkheim. Brain drain is a concept associated with which one of the following? Option A, large-scale immigration of technically qualified persons from less developed to developed countries. Option B, large-scale flight of labor from poor countries. Option C, displacement of people due to war and violence. Option D, immigration of foreign experts during colonial rule. Here the right answer is option A, that is large-scale immigration of technically qualified persons from less developed to developed countries.